Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. Going to show you a 2020 Freightliner Coronado condo glider kit. It's got a factory reman Detroit, 12.7 liter, 13 speed, 251,000 miles on it. Does still have a little bit of warranty left, about 50,000 more miles. Gotten it warm. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by oil pressure. Extremely nice truck, matched virgin rubber. Great interior, really impressive truck all the way around. So let's get started. Southern truck, no rust, body, paint, everything's really nice on it. Extremely clean interior. It's got an upgraded Atlas seat, the driver's side. Upgraded the floors as well. Double bunk condo. Fridge down here behind the driver's seat. Somebody took care of this one. On the oil pressures. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, you can always call me at 901-896-4526. Thanks.